Hello everyone, let us solve for x. If 9 to the power x minus 6 to the power x is equal to 4 to the power x. Let's start solution. As given that 9 to the power x minus 6 to the power x is equal to 4 to the power x. By dividing 4 to the power x on both sides, we have now this will be cancelled by this. We have 9 power x over 4 power x minus 6 power x divided by 4 power x is equal to 1. Is a power x b power x. We can write this as a by b whole power x. Therefore, we have 9 by 4 whole power x minus 6 by 4 whole power x is equal to 1. Now, we can write this as 3 square divided by 2 square whole power x minus, we can write this as 3 times 2 divided by 2 times 2 whole to the power x is equal to 1. Also, we can write this as 3 by 2 whole square whole to the power x, and this will be cancelled by this, minus 3 by 2 whole to the power x is equal to 1. Now, as a power m whole power n, we can write this as a power n whole power m. Therefore, applying this rule on this, we have 3 by 2 whole power x whole to the power 2 minus 3 by 2 whole power x is equal to 1. Let 3 by 2 whole to the power x is equal to t. Therefore, this become t square minus t equal to 1. Now, t square minus t minus 1 equal to 0. This become quadratic equation in terms of t. First, we check the discriminant b square minus 4ac. Now, here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, and c is equal to minus 1. Therefore, discriminant is equal to b square. B square is minus 1 whole square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is minus 1. Now, discriminant is equal to minus 1 square become 1, minus into minus plus 4, which is equal to 5 greater than 0. So this equation has two possible value. By using quadratic formula, t is equal to minus b plus minus square root discriminant divided by 2a. Now, t is equal to minus into minus 1 plus minus discriminant is 5 divided by 2 into a is 1. Now, t is equal to 1 plus minus square root 5 over 2. Now we have two possible value of t. One is t1 is equal to 1 plus square root 5 divided by 2, and the second one is t2 is equal to 1 minus under root 5 divided by 2. Now this will be rejected because of negative sign. So the possible solution is this. Now as we know that, recall t is equal to 3 by 2 whole to the power x. Therefore this become 3 by 2 whole to the power x is equal to 1 plus under root 5 divided by 2. Now by taking log on both sides, log 3 by 2 whole to the power x is equal to log 1 plus under root 5 divided by 2. Now by using the log property, that is log a to the power b is equal to b log a. Now this become x log 3 by 2 is equal to log 1 plus square root 5 divided by 2. Now dividing this log by 3 by 2 on both sides, we have log 1 plus square root 5 divided by 2 divided by log 3 by 2. And we have another interesting properties of log. Log a by log b is equal to log a to the base b. Therefore this become x is equal to log a. Log a is this 1 plus square root 5 divided by 2 to the base b is log 3 by 2, which is 3 by 2. This is our final answer.